Hey, what's going on, guys? Just got this Intex Explorer K2. Bought two of them. There it is, sitting in my living room. And I've been watching videos on YouTube. People were saying that these paddles are too short, not wide enough. So I made up something where I made it wider. So I want to show you guys what I did. All right, guys. Just here in the garage. This is the piece that comes with the Explorer K2, and this is where you slide it inside of here, and this tab here that I took off right here, that little button here, that's the way it looks. The spring sits inside here, so I pulled it off, and that's what it is right there. Anyways, this is where it goes, that way. So this measures 11 1/4. And I cut me a 20-inch long PVC class 200 3/4. Class 200 right there is a thin wall. So don't get the schedule 40. Get the class 200 thin wall. This one here. And so what I did is I got this and I measured. It's like this. I measured right there, and I mark the hole, and I use the square, and that's what it is right there. And I'm sorry, I'm not quoting that very good. Anyways, you get this, and you just compare it to right there, and you mark your hole. And what I did was I made it to mark my holes on the same spot. I marked it on this print right here. So I made it mark the holes on the print, the lines, so you can do it, so you can get a good match. And I just put it on the vise, put it here in the vise, and I use a pick first to poke a little hole to start drilling. I used a small drill bit here, and then I went to the biggest bit I have. So I drilled it out, as you can see right there, in both sides, and that thing fit. This piece here fit perfect. Excuse my mess. So here's the piece here, and this is the way it goes. Spring, and this button goes on top of the spring. And then all you gotta do is push down and slide it in, just like that. So then you get your paddle. Here's your paddle, and then you just slide it in, push this down, right there. So do that on both sides, and you'll have a longer paddle. So easy. Took me about I'd say 20 minutes, cause my first time doing it. I gotta do one more for my other paddle, and I actually got 3 more. This one for the one kayak, and the other 2 for the other kayak. So anyways, here it is. It's quick fix and easy. No money spent here. Alright, well, enjoy. I hope you guys get your paddles longer. So thanks for watching. So this is what it looks like. The top one is the original piece, and the bottom piece is the one I made with PVC. This one here. So the one, like I said, this is 11 1/4 inch wide, and mine out of PVC is 20 inches. There it is, the difference right here to this one here. All right, hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching.